Southwest ka. Flag check on top me. 3, 2, 1. Just flag check. I'm good. Okay, ready. Go check out. They might have 3 bombs, guys. Watch out. Spread mo. Spread. Watch out for Mugi, guys. Tell me if you see Mugi. Okay? Spread more. Wait for them to engage. Just keep giving guard runes. It's fine. It's fake. Spread more. Everyone wake up. Guys, are you guys all awake?
Yep.
Papatay ang music sa group. Defensive. Heal fan, please. Heal fan.
No one died.
Shallow me. Hold. Yeah, just keep bonking. Ngayon can you fake later.
Okay.
Just keep bonking. Fake when you're able. Spread more. They have engaged now. Ready head bata. On top me. Hold. Fake now. Let's fake. On top me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. On Dandy. Go back. Everyone go back. They're walking out. Defense para. Nice. Spread more. Be careful of flank, okay? Chill. Everyone chill. Spread. Hold. Just hold. I'm gonna pull the guards. I'm pulling the guards. Ready, shallow on me, okay? Shallow on me. On the guards. Okay. Hold. Ready. Spread more, guys. They're looking now.
Pwede mag-fake ah?
Yeah. Wait. We play counter. Fake after the counter. Fake after the engage. Sorry.
Engaging.
Fake now. No. Fake now. Guys, ready on Mugi. Mugi's gonna hit inside. Spread more. Guys, on top me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything around. Dami siya naman. Let's spread out. Spread outside.
Kingmaker si Mugi ah.
They're trying to walk out, bro. They're trying to walk out. Spread more. Okay, nice. Book in a bit.
I think this fight would be easier if I have one with Blood Type,
Detans coming. Just detans. Spread. Let's fake. Just spread. Hold. Come southeast. Everyone spread southeast. Everything on the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything engage. Get. Kill Danny. Nice. Everyone spread. They're looking.
Focus ako maglagay ng down sa southwest side.
Spread now. They hit, guys.
Ditang.
Defense
Cover
front,
ko na lang.
Now we walk in. Everyone walk.
Ahil ng front.
Your BM is
Hill front,
remounting,
hill front.
your
Hill front.
chariot is remounting.
Okay. Hill front, walk. Kill front, walk. Guys, come in. Get heals. Hills front. Ready, guys. Shallow on top of us. Fake now. Shallow southwest lang. Shallow southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Kill it, guy. Spread. Kill it, guy. That's watch front. Kill it.
I don't have cooldown.
Kill it. Spread more. Hold Boogie. Guys, spread. You saw the space.
Engaging ah. Nag-engage na.
Hill front.
Okay.
Just walk in. Roll the ones on top of you. I'm gonna do shallow. Ready, 5 seconds. Fake now.
Wala pa.
Okay. Shallow, guys. On top of me. 3, 2, 1. Everything me. Kill. Spread. Watch Danny front. They're looking now. They're defensive front. They're walking up. Spread. Nice hit. Guys,
Yung bomb,
12
yung
seconds,
bomb,
12
yung
seconds. Hold them. Just hold them. No one dies. Please. Spread
Ingat sa
more,
choke
spread
ah.
more.
Unahan niya
Oh
na
my
kung
God,
alis
bro.
kaya.
What the fuck was that?
Everyone come southeast.
Pabab
Keep tight.
Come southeast. They're leaking. Ditang hold them.
Hill front. Pahil ng front.
Second number. Anyone?
I don't have-
Meron ako.
I don't
5
have
seconds.
mana. I don't have mana.
Here, can someone take over? I need my bomb to mount up.
Come northeast.
Sige.
Guys, come
Follow
northeast.
rig for now. Follow rig.
Come northeast. Pull out. Pull out. Come northeast. Come northeast.
We're on crypt candle.
Yeah, just go out. Just go out. Mount up. Try to mount. Go out. Because we are all dispersed now. Everyone is dispersed. You cannot engage. Just go out. Go out.
I think no healer was watching the
Bro,
front.
na-bomb squad ako. One tap ako, pre.
Go
Yeah.
out. Try to live.
Walang
Zero to
na
100.
front na hollow fall dun sa front.
Go out.
Watch out.
That bracer.
D-Tanks save your teammates. D-Tanks save your Zerg. D-Tanks.
Nandito na rin sunset ah.
I'm coming. Just regroup in dead pine. Regroup in dead pine. Oh my god.
Everyone come here. Regroup and then fine.
Safe yung bomb squad mo.
Yeah.
Take
Hindi
it.
ako makapag-full take over kasi boy, hindi ko kita yung front.
Yeah, it's fine. Just...
Naka-crit candle din ako. So,
Nagulat ako, boss. Nagulat talaga ako dun. Sobra. Like 0 to 100. 100 to 0. Instant. Couldn't even react, bro. Literally impossible to react on that. I got killed by 7.3. 7.3 bracer.
Solo?
No. It's probably 10 man bracers. Everyone good? How many died?
Takbo pa ata iba kip kasi nahabol sila pa.
Wala. Okay lang. Guys,
how many
reggae.
died in that, yung...
Wala ka second caller kanina, Kip.
Sinayon, kaso kinaba. Ewan ko. Namatay ka rin ba na yun?
Hindi, biglang may nag-take over din eh. Pwede pa ata yun, 16 sa 17.
Oo, kaya yun. Nagulat lang ako sa bomb. Di ko in-expect.
Kahit,
Sorry,
kaso...
wala ko kasi wala mag-take over, boy. Sorry.
Wala. Okay guys, regroup in dead pine. Everyone regroup in dead pine. Dead pine. Wait for me. We fight.
Saan yan? Papuntang Dead Pine?
Southwest. Yun din. Same shit.
Northwest ng ng Fisher.
Northwest ng
Northwest
Fisher.
ng
We just regroup.
Kung nasa Elder Slip ka, punta kayo ng Northwest Southwest.
Okay.
Punta kayo Northwest Southwest kung nasa kayo Elder Slip.
Pang dungeon.
Wala. Spec pre. Wala ako ng spec. Talaga. Spec issue ko talaga.
Dungeon here.
Totoo lang.
Regroup.
Nung namatay kasi si Kip Boy, wala agad nag-take over, kaya sinake over ko na.
Okay lang. Just get out. It's spread. Yan naman sinayon. Oo nga, healers go TS guys. Spread more. Ang weird talaga nun. Pre, nagulat ako.
Ano bang tier gamit mo kanina, Kip? T10?
T10 ako bun, pre. Imagine that shit, bro. I have 100 HP, bro. I'm on Guardian Armor.
Attuned weapon pa siya.
Attuned weapon, bro.
Kailangan kasi sa ganun, ang magpapalambot talaga kay Kip guys is debuffs. Debuffs talaga magpapalambot dun. Kailangan ilocos yung agad yun or i-cleanse yung agad yun.
Bracer pumatay sa akin.
Mabagal yung
Hindi magpapatay yan pag wala yung debuffs dun.
Probably, yeah, just regroup. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Like, I was waiting for a bump or something.
Supports. You really need to cleanse fast, okay? If the enemy is engaging, cleanse it fast. The debuffs.
Merigers good. You guys good? You guys regroup in...
Ano pa lang ako? Southwest pa lang ako ng Fen.
Hindi. Yung iba, nasa Dead Pine Forest
Dead
na.
Pine Forest kami.
What's your leader?
12.
Bro, that's literally the first time I I don't know what happened, bro. Sorry. I really don't know what happened. Just regroup, wait for everyone.
Tapos may ano din sila, may naka-old as build na Clarent Purity Count. Does the shit even still work?
I don't even know what happened, bro. Can you guys come to Sync? Northwest yan, no? Northwest ng Dead Pine Sync.
Northwest and Dead Pine.
Regroup with me in Sync. It's so fucked up, bro. First time I died like that. I don't know.
Wala, dog.
Yeah, sorry. Man, I'm a cheater, bro. Sorry.
GG.
Nag-brain fart na